To start the dressing, first puree the garlic. Next add the honey, mustards, and seasonings. Pulse a few times to blend everything together, and then add the lemon zest and the fresh lemon juice. Lastly, with the food processor running, slowly pour in the oil. The mixture should have a thick but pourable consistency. This dressing can be made ahead of time and kept in the refrigerator for a day or two. To prepare the chicken, first remove any bones and/or fat and skin. The breast can be left whole or portioned into smaller pieces. It's up to you and how you plan to serve the chicken. Next, finely chop the oregano and thyme and add them to the chicken, along with the dressing. Toss to coat the chicken in the dressing and let marinate for a few hours in the refrigerator. To cook the chicken, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, lay the chicken onto a baking sheet lined with parchment. For food safety reasons, be sure to discard any remaining dressing. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size of the chicken breasts. Any smaller pieces will of course cook quicker than larger pieces. To check the chicken, cut into the thickest part. There should be no pink meat and the juices should run clear. These are not fully cooked as the meat is still a bit pink. Baking the chicken in the dressing keeps it extremely moist. The darker spots are from the sugars in the marinade which have started to caramelize. To finish the chicken, pour any juices from the pan over top and garnish with freshly chopped parsley and enjoy.